What's up everybody, hope you are doing well. It's your girl again. My name is Mollen, and if you are new here, thank you for passing by. I really appreciate. So guys, in today's video I'm going to make simple orange cake. Very simple and using simple ingredients. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy every bit of this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will really appreciate a lot. So guys, allow me to start this video. So you will need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, cooking oil, 2 oranges. I'm going to show you how to go about it. 1 cup of sugar, melted butter, a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Next, I'm gonna take my grater and remove some orange zest from the orange. I'm going to need just a little bit of orange zest, so I'm just going to grate some few of them off. Next, I'm going to cut the oranges into halves and squeeze the lemon juice. Guys, you don't want to miss this part. Make sure you put lemon juice when you are making orange cake. Yeah, you put the orange juice when you are making the orange cake. You don't want to miss this part, okay? In a clean bowl, I'm going to sieve the all-purpose flour and the baking powder together, and then after sieving, I'm going to mix them. Then I will set it aside. I'm going to take my blender, then I will add the 3 eggs, melted margarine, lemon zest, orange zest, not lemon, orange zest, sugar, orange juice, the one I squeezed, cooking oil, one tablespoon of vanilla essence, then lastly a pinch of salt. So next I'm going to cover my blender and then blend them together. So after blending, this is how it look like. So next I'm going to mix it into the flour little by little. So next I'm going to take my baking tin, apply some butter on it and dust it with some baking flour. The reason why I'm doing this is to avoid the cake from sticking from the bottom of the baking tin. And then I'm going to put the cake mix inside the baking tin. So guys, my cake is ready, as you can see. Wow, I can't wait to have a bite. Wow, and the aroma, wow. Aroma is just wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Allow me to end this video here. You can try this recipe at home and let me know. It's very simple, as you have seen, and I've used affordable ingredients which you can get easily. So guys, let me know at the comment section what you think about this recipe. So guys, allow me to end this video here. See you again in another next video. Bye bye.